Hey, what's going on, traders? Friday, July 28th, 9 a.m. These are your morning ideas. Okay, so yesterday we had post FOMC day, and FOMC day was this. Let me show you what we're looking at. FOMC day was the old accordion right after. We didn't really get a whole lot right after the announcement. It was more of when Powell spoke. And I'm going to make a separate video about the news and stuff like that. So the market went up, came back down. Then yesterday we really had a trend down day after what looked like we were opening really close to the overnight high, and it was one of those rare cases where we opened really close to the overnight high and we actually go down and touch the overnight low, and we trended down all day. The volume point of control never moved all the way down to the bottom, but we still have a double distribution here. We have the distribution up here from yesterday and the distribution down here from yesterday, and it looks like overnight we tested the distribution, the middle of the distribution pulled back, and now we're pushing into the upper distribution. Okay, so it'll be really interesting off of the open if we can push through 4600. If we can push through 4600, we'll move up towards 4617, and there's some heavy volume there, and I'd like to see us push through. If we push through, then 4635, which was yesterday's high, Globex high, is on the table for a test. Okay, that's 40 points. That's definitely doable today. On the downside, if we come back and the same thing, I'm looking for 4568. This is the highest volume area down here in this lower distribution. I would look for the market to tag that. Now, if we look at the big picture, we're still in this thick area up here, right? And we're moving through it, and we can get quite choppy in these thick areas. We talked about how the market's on its way to 4700 in that area, and anything can happen in this area before that. We can chop around a little bit, we can test higher, come back lower, test lower, and then ultimately push towards 4700. And I think that is the ultimate destination here. So as long as, I mean, the Fed couldn't come out and be any more, hawkish in their comments on Wednesday, and the market kind of shrugged it off and went up anyway. Now, I know it went down yesterday, but it doesn't seem like, the tightening of the monetary of the money supply that they're trying to do, or the policies more, and they're tightening with their interest rates, and with we saw the 25 basis point hike, and again, Powell was very hawkish, and I'm gonna make another video on the recap of that, just about all of these things that he said that you'll see here on your screen is a pretty hawkish tone for me, and I was really surprised that the market went up. But remember, the market is a forward-looking mechanism. It's already has all that stuff priced in, or most of that stuff priced in, and it's just looking for surprises, and that's what moves us around. Okay, so today's the last day for the leaderboard contest. So if you're on that leaderboard, please try to get to the finish here. Today is today is not the last day. Monday would be the last day. So we have today and Monday to finish the leaderboard contest, where we're paying $5,000 to the person on the top of the board there, and we're giving away free pro accounts, free test accounts for anybody on that leaderboard. So check our social media for that. We have some other stuff coming too, so I'm really excited to share it all with you, and I hope you guys have a great Friday.